10. Solve the equations 28x minus 23y is equal to 33 and 63x minus 25y is equal to 101. Let us suppose 28x minus 23y is equal to 33, equation 1, and 63x minus 25y is equal to 101, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 9 and equation 2 by 4 for equal coefficient of x. 28x minus 23y is equal to 33 multiplied by 9 and 63x minus 25y is equal to 101 multiplied by 4. So 252x minus 207y is equal to 297 and 252x minus 100y is equal to 404. By subtracting 107y is equal to 107, or y is equal to 107 by 107 is equal to 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 28x minus 23y is equal to 33, or 28x minus 23 into 1 is equal to 33, or 28x minus 23 is equal to 33, or 28x is equal to 33 plus 23 is equal to 56, or x is equal to 56 by 28 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Answer.